Hi, today in this video we show you something for Halloween. I know that we are only at the end of August, but in 2 months Halloween it will be here. So I created this super cute and super easy ghost that you can use to hang to your window or your door or around in your backyard as you prefer. So let's get started to create this cute ghost. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and then you will have to draw this voilà, here your ghost. Now with a pair of scissors we will cut along the line. Better a little inside, so you don't need to use anything to cancel the pencil line. Okay, and this is the body of your ghost. Now with the pencil we will draw the two eyes, so in this way. Quite easy. Now to cut, if you don't want to cut these eyes, you can color them with a black pen, but if you like to cut and then have this result, better to cut with a pair of scissors. And then in this case I prefer to cut around in this way. Your eyes are only a guideline, and then you can cut around. Voila, this is your first one. And the second one. Voila, here your ghost. And then if you want to hang the ghost, I prefer to use this that is the fishing line. So we will cut a piece of this. It's transparent, so it's quite better to use this kind of ribbon. But you can hang the ghost with a ribbon or anything that you like. Okay, we will need to create a hole. Okay, voila, and then I created this at the end of my fishing line, and then now we will do in this way here. Voila, and your ghost is ready to be hanged. That's quite nice. And if you want, you can create a lot of ghosts, and then to create two holes, one here, and to create a sort of with the fishing line, you can create a sort of I don't remember the name in English, sorry, but you can hang them in this way, or putting the ribbon here, and then, or you can hang with the also with this. You can use a ribbon, sorry, you can use a ribbon, and then you can create something like this, and then hang your ghost. Okay, this is my first creation for this Halloween, and then there I will create something new next time, or in the next videos. So please subscribe to my channel, like my video. I hope you enjoyed this super easy and cute paper creation, and see you next time. Bye bye.